Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to view your program submission requirements. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Program Reporting. Then select Submission Requirements. Now you can select the program's Submission Requirements dashboard navigation card. Under Select a Program, select the program you want to view. This brings you to a Submissions Requirements page. From the drop-down on the right side of the screen, select the year that you want to review. Please note that this view shows your current submission status for measures and program requirements. It does not confirm that a facility is eligible or has met all necessary requirements. To expand each section and view its contents, select the down arrow to the right of the section title. Each section will have details provided by either discharge quarter, reporting period, performance period, or by year. Please expand each individual section and review to confirm if you have submitted data for each measure. To export the information on this page, go to the Export button at the top of the page. Then select PDF. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.